Here goes a Washington in extended mode, complete with a couple of fans from Amazon, brushless fans, go through the lower case and connect. Bit of a faff, but probably a dealer job, I would say. And if anybody wants any advice modifying it, get a dealer to do it. It's nasty. It's really nasty. So UK 40, I was asked, press and hold band. You're in FM, press and hold band. Get the UK 40. Let's go down to channel 1. You know, obviously the alphas. So we go band B is high, of course, low, high, high, low, low, high, 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 low, low, low. You know the score. We've all been there before. And it goes down from 24, goes up from 24,715. That's the lowest. So you can see. Menus are pretty much the same. Span, you know, message, automatic relay, band. The new accessory that's not out yet. Power limit, 4 watts, 10 watts, all the marbles. Echo, delay. Temperature, Celsius or Fahrenheit for US. Temperature protection. Default is 50, so we leave it there. Reset. Color, again, you know the score. Dimmer, off. Weird, it changed color when it went up. Okay. Tone. E-beep, we all hate it. Roger bleep, 6. So you have frequency, SWR, and TO, I'm not sure what that is. Timeout, timer. So, there you go. Most important thing is, if you're in the FM mode, press and hold band, you get the UK 40. That's what everybody wants, I suppose. Catch you later.